Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can upgrade into premium account on X or Twitter. So if you feel or if you want to upgrade your account and enjoy the benefit, you can do it by tap on your profile picture and tap on premium. So here, the basic one, you can get a no ads, no reduction, a reply boost, smallest, edit post, longer post, end post, and so on. So there is a locked benefit here. And if you want to upgrade more, you can go to the enhanced experience here and premium plus, fully ad free, reply boost largest, and so on. So you can upgrade your premium into premium before you can monetize your account. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.